Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are going to start our curriculum. The first unit in this curriculum, inshallah, is talking about fractions. We took the fractions in grade 3. Okay, let's make a revision about some revisions about the fraction before starting our unit. The first lesson in this unit, inshallah, is reviewing what we studied about fraction. Let's make a revision about what we studied about fraction. Okay? Read this question carefully, please. Think and answer. Complete. 1 over 2. This is the sign of over, the sign of fraction. 1 over 2 or half equals 5 over what? Half equals 5 over what? Now look at the numerator. 1 became 5. So I multiplied the numerator by 5. So I have to multiply the denominator also by 5. So 2 times 5 equals, yes, 10. So check your answer. Yes, 10. So half equals 5 over 10. Let's go to the next question. Now 3 over 5 equals 9 over what? 3 became 9. So I multiply 3 by, yes, by 3. So multiply 5 also by 3. So 5 times 3 equals, yes, 15. Now read this question carefully and then answer. Okay, so 15 became 3. So here I divided, not multiplied. I divided 15 by 5. So divide 5 also by 5. So 5 divided 5 equals 1. Now 5 here became 1. So I divided 5 by 5. So divide 30 also by 5. 30 divided 5 equals 6. Now let's move to the lesson. If you please go to your website, Ask and Learn, to your account, and download this presentation. This is the presentation. Read. Write the fraction that represent the colored parts according to the whole figure. According to the whole figure, what is the fraction of the colored parts? We talk in grade 3 to write the fraction of the colored parts. Write the number, write on the numerator, write the number of colored parts, and on the denominator, write the number of all parts. So to write the fraction of the colored part, write the number of colored parts over number of all parts. For example, here in this figure, in the first figure, the number of colored parts is, let's count the number of colored parts. There is 1 colored part. So 1 over So number of colored parts is 1, and the number of all parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 over 4 or quarter. So the next point, to write the fraction, write the number of colored parts over number of all parts. Let's count the number of colored parts. 1, 2. And the number of all parts after 2, 3. So the number of all parts is 3. Next, the number of colored parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the number of all parts, there's 8 color parts. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the fraction of the colored parts in this figure is 8 over 16. After downloading the presentation, please answer these points. Let's move to the next page. Here, write the fraction that represents the colored part according to the whole figure. As we said, to write the number of the fraction of the colored part, write the number of the colored parts over the number of all parts. Okay? Let's move to the next page. Write the fraction that represents the colored part according to the whole figure. Okay, so as we said, count the number of colored parts over number of all parts. Okay, so count the number of colored parts 1, 2, 3, and the number of all parts after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And answer this point, please. Okay, you can take more practice here. Okay, now color according to the fraction. Read this fraction. Yes, 5 over 6, 4, 5, 6. So now the number of all parts should be 6. Yes, let's count the number of all parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the number of all parts is 6. So color 5 parts from these parts. Okay, so I will color 5 parts. Okay, now let's move to the next point. The number of all parts should be 5. Let's count the number of all parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, but the number of all parts here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I should take each 2 circles from these small circles as one part, as a one part. So these 2 circles is one part, and these 2 circles is one part. Now let's count the number of parts here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will color 2 parts from these parts. Color just 2 parts. 1, this is one part. 2. Okay, so the number of all parts here is 5, so I have to take 2 circles as a one part. Take each 2 circles as a one part, so, and then color 2 parts, means color 4 circles. After downloading the presentation, please answer these 2 points. Now, we took in grade 3 how to write a fraction, how to read a fraction. So, if you please read this fraction. Yes, 3/5. 3 over 5 or 3/5. The number that at the top of the sign of the fraction is called numerator. It's called what? Yes, numerator. Okay? The number that at the top of the sign of the fraction is called numerator. And the number that at the bottom of the sign of the fraction is called denominator. Yes, denominator. Okay? Now, if I want to write each of the following fractions in their suitable places. Okay,